Alright, box 3 of the first 4-box case of Topps Tribute. This is the second box for Robmen9. Rolling the dice again. Good luck, Rob. Alright, here we go. Alright, first pack, base cards. Pee Wee Reese, Ichiro, George Kell, and a blue refractor of Robmen9. And the first hit is very nice. Jersey rookie auto of Rick Porcello, 88 of 99. Rick Porcello jersey auto. So there you go. One of only 2 rookie autos, Porcello and Tommy Hanson. Alright, pack 2. Girly R's. You guys are funny. Alright, base cards. We got Jackie Robinson. That one's got some stuff on the front of it. Thurman Munson. Clayton Kershaw. And, oh nice, and a black refractor of Jackie Robinson. Jackie Robinson black refractor. And the hit is a black refractor. Wow, to go with the other one. This time black refractor jersey with a pinstripe, number /50 of Alex Rodriguez. Rob with 2 A-Rod jerseys. Black refractor number /50. Alright. Pack 3. Roy Campanella, Adrian Gonzalez, Manny Ramirez in Dodger Blue. It's got a line going through the top of that card. You can see that on there. Like a printing error. Line going right through the top of his helmet. Whatever that is. And a blue refractor. Bruce Sutter. I think you got the black refractor in the last box. Bruce Sutter. And the hit is a blue refractor auto, 51 of 75 of Juan Marichal. That's the second one, Marichal, at his case. Gary got the regular. And blue refractor for Rob. Okay. 2 autos down. In this one we got Jim Palmer, Keith Hernandez, Bo Jackson base, pretty sick. Oops, I jumped to the hit already, sorry about that. Before that, we'll go blue refractor of Derek Jeter. And the hit is a game-used bat of Carl Yastrzemski, numbered 7/99. Yastrzemski bat. Nice Hall of Fame game used. 2 to go. Everybody's hoping and praying for a Babe or a Mantle or somebody. I'm hoping we pull one. Uh-oh. Booklet, Rob. We're going to save that for the end. Fucking booklet. Booklet! Alright. We'll go to this pack first. Paul Molitor. Howard Johnson, Tony Perez, and a black refractor of Clayton Kershaw /99. And the hit is another nice one. No auto though, so that means your fucking booklet is an auto, dude. That means your booklet is a fucking autograph. Dual jersey gold parallel number /25 of Tommy Hanson. That means you got booklet auto, bro. Tommy Hanson gold dual jersey /25, and here we go. Here we go. Come on. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? First, you got a black refractor of Ichiro. Oh, fuck. That's what it looks like on the outside. Here, I'm just going to open it up for you. Brooks Robinson and Cal Ripken Jr. Dual jersey bat, dual fucking autograph. 24/25. Look at that bad boy. Sick. Fucking sick. Wow. I'll show you guys the back recap for the booklet nastiness. Tommy Hanson gold /25 dual jerseys. Carl Yastrzemski bat. Juan Marichal auto jersey /75. A-Rod black refractor jersey. And the Rick Porcello jersey auto rookie. Thanks for watching. Peace.